Hey, it's Peter from Do It Yourself Full Range Hi-Fi Speakers, and I'm continuing my journey on developing new full range speakers. And with this backloaded horn soundbar, it's meant to be an all-in-one to reduce the number of wires and complexity around the speaker. So just going through some of the build photos here, you can see I've got my Visaton FR10HMs either side and angling outwards. That gives a really wide sound stage. I was quite impressed with how that worked. And in the middle, I've got a Cambridge Audio 6-inch little mid-woofer, which is running off the 2.1 sort of sub outlet from my amplifier, which you can see sitting on top there. Now, it's amazing how good a small sub will sound just when it's only fed with low frequency sound and with a few watts of power. So here's a little sound test. See if you can guess who the artist is. Yeah, well, if you're a blues fan like myself, you'll know that that is Ronnie Earl and the Broadcasters, I think. Broadcasters, something like that. And that was Blues for Celie, one of the most sublime pieces of blues instrumental music you will ever listen to. So, this is just a rough prototype, and I haven't even finished it yet. The timber is Australian hardwood on the sides and front, and on the top is a piece of Tasmanian oak. Just some little pine legs I've used to lift it up for the down firing woofer. and a bit of plywood for the base, and a bit of plywood for the back panel. I've used those nice little 5-way binding posts, which I got on the cheap from AliExpress. They seem to work okay. And that's about it from me, folks. Next, as I've been talking about, I want to build into this a streamer amp. So it's a complete all-in-one with streamer, DAC, amp, and speakers. So instead of having that little amp sitting on top, you'll just have that cabinet, which kind of looks like a lunar lander, or I don't know. What you tell me what you think it looks like in the comments. Kind of rather unique shape, I think. But yeah, you've got the 2 ports in the front for the side channels and the horizontal port in the middle for the subwoofer. Kind of looks pretty cool, I think, if you're into that sort of thing. Anyway, that's it for me. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. All the best. Happy full ranging. All that good stuff. Cheers, bye.